Shouldn't be there.
Hi, everyone. I'm Edwin Rutsch, and I'm here with Janna Weiss, and we want to invite you to the seventh Global Empathy Conference. And you can see a list of speakers here. It's May 23rd and 24th Pacific time, and it's sponsored by the University of California at Santa Cruz. And here we are. It's Janna, and we're going to be. I'm going to be doing a keynote talk there about the definition of empathy, but Jen and I will be doing an hour and a half empathy circle so you'll be able to have some practice in actually doing an empathy circle. Do you want to say some more, Jenna?
So we're going to go to breakout rooms and we're going to learn how to mutually listen to each other. The empathy circle is a structured dialogue process, and it has a lot of flexibility and a lot of resilience, and it is a free speech space where we can share and be listened to. And we learn to become better listeners, empathic listeners, and hopefully also empathic speakers. And it's a lot of fun.
And we're really about building an empathy movement. We want to make mutual empathy a primary, core cultural value, which really means getting people together to listen to each other and bridge their divides. And the empathy circle is a really great framework, sort of a core structure or a practice for building that empathy movement. So by learning these tools, you'll really be able to apply that with your family, with your friends, with your coworkers, with your enemies. Bring them into an empathy circle, and it's great for conflict mediation, healing those divides, and for creativity and innovation.
And so much of our conflict and difficulties in the world come from misunderstandings. So this process really kind of slows down the speech and slows down the listening. We are constantly checking with your speaker to make sure that the speaker is heard and understood. So it really reduces misunderstanding. And when things get difficult, we start reflecting each other, and that also helps to resolve misunderstandings when we have difficulties with each other.
So I'm excited about seeing you there, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks.
And
And
our goal is to reach 8 billion people.
I want to teach 8 billion people this practice. It'll really transform the world. So see you there.